網めくったらガソリーナ食べますガソリーナ網め噛んだらガソリーナ
Have you calmed down yet? Hyper one. Have you calmed down?
No.
Oi! Leave him alone! Yo. On a slow motion, it really looks like... Are you okay, Munch? Munchie. Yo. The camera can't keep up with you. Hello? That's a bit of a picture. Hello?
Peter.
I think so. Our cat has ADHD. He fits in perfectly with his family.
Cheese.
He dives at the camera. Oh. Can you calm down? Every morning he's like this and he calms down. Are you hyper, Munchie? Are you hyper? Munchie! Munchie! You hide it in the washing. Hello? Hello? Leave my slippers. We spoke about this. We've spoke about this, Munchie! You done? You stopped being hyper? Good.